As a 36-year-old, sometimes I ask myself, mao na ba ni? This is really my life now? Kaya honestly, daghan kaayog changes from the young boy nga gikan sa province. Ay, young girl di ay. Dreaming big, working hard, and just hoping nga one day makaabot pud ko diri. So welcome to a day in my life as a 36 years old, owning 2 salon, living and working in Manila. Early in the morning, akong first stop jud is yung branch namo sa San Juan Green Hills. Super sayo kayo mag-start kay na ako'y first client. And honestly, one of the things I love about this branch is the vibe. Medyo open ang windows so the natural light comes in. Very relaxing siya. So you can see all the plants, the sunlight, and everything just feels peaceful. I really wanted to create a space nga dili lang salon, a space nga naay life, naay warmth, and somewhere people can feel comfortable or komportable sila. Maybe because gikan ko sa province and I always wanted to bring a little bit of feeling with me. Even if na ako diri sa very busy Manila, kabalo mo mga busy jud kaya traffic pa jud. And of course, I'm so thankful sa ako mga staff. They've been part of this journey, and seeing everyone grow with the business makes me everything more meaningful. Owning 2 salon is not just about having 2 branches. It's about managing people, clients, schedules, problems, expenses, and still making sure nga everyday client, ang every client namo feels good when they leave the salon. I started working when I was around 15 years old, and until now, I'm still here. From the province to Manila, from just working with her to finally building something I can call my own. 15 years later, daghan kaayo changes, pero one thing remains the same. I still love what I do. And yes, karon, I guess to travel a lot sometimes. Something na I used to only dream about. Sometimes I look back and think, grabe no, from working so young to now being able to see different places and experience different things. But behind all the troubles, salon days, and beautiful hair transformations, nagihapon ko every day. Waking up, going to work, creating, talking to the clients, solving problems, and trying to make everything work. This is not a perfect life. This is a busy life. Sometimes kapoy, sometimes stressful, but honestly, I'm grateful. At 36, I'm still learning, still growing, still dreaming bigger. From a provinciano kid with big dreams to owning 2 salons in Manila. This is my life and I'm still not done yet. And of course, ako dining uyab. Siya yun ang pinaka-supportive sa tanang panahon. Every time nga down ko, siya mag-lift up na ako, siya magpag-smile sa ako, makalipay na ako, especially sa mga adlaw nga kapoy na kayo ang tanan. Kung na ako'y mga problems o daghan kayo ko, gihuna-huna, siya yun ang maka-understand na ako. Super supportive siya sa tanan na akong dreams, sa mga work, sa mga plans, o bisan sa ako mga moments nga mura gusto na ko mo give up. And of course, amin sa akong busy life, mag-date hapon mi, simple dates, simple moments, basta magkuyog mi. Blessed na kaayo ko. And one thing, nga dili jud na mo makalimtan, magampo o magpasalamat sa Ginoo kay sa tanang blessing, challenges, travels, salon o dreams nga nahitabo sa akong life. I always believe na dili na ako ni makaya na ako ra, na ay Ginoo nga nag-guide o na ay mga tao nga nag-support na ako along the way. And for me, having like him by my side, one of the biggest blessings in my life. After sa among dinner, badminton pug ko. Ako ra ang magduwa, pero honestly, mao ni akong little routine after a long and busy day. Para nako, dili lang jud ni simple nga exercise. It's also one of the best ways para ma-release ang stress, ang tension, o kakapoy nga naipon sa whole day. Imagine, gikan ko sayo sa buntag sa salon, then clients, hair consultations, coloring, checking sa staff, managing the business, and all the little things na kinahanglan nimo una-una ni when you own 2 salons. So by the time na human ang adlaw, daghan na jud ko kaayog thoughts sa akong mind. That's why I make time for badminton. Ako ra isa, but I actually enjoy it. Pag abot na ako sa court, murag mawala sa kadali sa trabaho ba. No clients, no schedules, no business problems, just me, the racket, the movement, and the little time for myself. Dagandagan, swing sa racket, singot, pahuway gamay, then balik na pod, sometimes kapoy, but that's exactly what I need. Kay instead nga, dadon ako ang stress from work until bedtime, there is a badminton, I get to release it. And honestly, as I'm getting older, mas nakasabot ko na health is also part of success. Before, ang mindset nako was always work lang, push lang, kaya pa. But now, I realize na dili pod pwede nga puro work lang. You have to take care of your body, your mind, and your energy because what's the point of building a business and achieving your dreams kung dili nimo ma-enjoy ang life along the way? So, kahit busy jud, I try to make time the things that make me feel good and alive. Badminton is one of them. Sometimes, after a very stressful day, pag-abot na ako sa court, tired na kaayo ko. But after playing for a while, once makasingot na ko, somehow lighter na akong feeling. Murag na-release ang tanan. And even though ako ra usa, dili ka man akong uyab, na kay team, of course, na kay kadula. I actually like the part it becomes my me time. Walang kinahanglang i-entertain, walay kinahanglang storyahan, walay business session nga huna-hunaon. Just me moving around, playing, sweating, and enjoying the moment. It's also a good way to disconnect from social media and from work. Kaya when I'm playing, kinahanglan present ka. You have to watch the shuttlecock, move your feet, and react. So for a while, wala na akong mind sa salon. Ako lang ang badminton and my own little space, and of course my badminton players also. After the running and sweating kapoy jud, pero kanang good kind of tired ba nga, the kind of tired na makaingon ka nga, okay, at least I did something good for myself today. Then after the game, magpahuway, mag-inog tubig, and sometimes just enjoy the quiet before going home. And that's another thing I'm learning at this stage of my life. We don't always need something grand to feel happy. Sometimes it's just good dinner good, a little exercise, a quiet moment, and time for yourself. Life in Manila can very busy. Everything moves so fast. 1 minute you're starting your day, then suddenly it's already nighttime and you're wondering where the whole day went. So I try to remind myself to slow down sometimes. Work hard, yes. Chase your dreams, yes. Build your business, yes. But don't forget to take care of the person who is actually doing all the work. The work. The work, ha? Which is imong sarili na jud, yourself. So after dinner, badminton muna. Release the stress, release the tension, move the body, sweat a lot, and just enjoy the moment because tomorrow, balik na sad sa salon, balik sa clients, balik sa responsibilities, and balik sa another busy day. But tonight, this is my time. At 36, I'm still learning how to balance work and life. And honestly, I think this is what growing up really means, not slowing down, but learning when to pause, breathe, move, and enjoy the life you work so hard to build. Sometimes, pod, you don't need a big escape. Sometimes you just need a racket, a court, a little sweat, and a few minutes for yourself. And for me, that's badminton. And that's my life. Goodbye.